and welcome. It's Kelly Jayne McCann, professional organizer and clutter coach. And do you know what today is? It is the summer solstice, the first official day of summer, and I adore the changing of the seasons. I feel like they are the perfect time to hit the reset button and recommit to our dreams. That is why I am proposing that we make 2019 the summer of love. Now, I'm not talking about just love in general. I'm talking about self-love, love for ourselves, that we're going to show ourselves all the love and all the kindness that we dole out to others. As women, so often we're the ones that provide the love and the support to everyone around us, and we empty everything out and we don't leave anything for ourselves. I'm suggesting this summer we change that status quo and we start treating ourselves as well as we treat those in our inner circle. And why am I suggesting this? Well, first of all, we all deserve to be loved, right? That is something that just feels good. And when we're feeling good, we have more energy. So there's a win-win. But also, and this is particularly worth listening to if you feel like this is a selfish idea, when we treat ourselves with love and with kindness, we are modeling incredibly healthy behavior. We're empowering everybody else around us to do the very same thing. So we're giving the world a gift, right? So what does self-love look like? Is it all about indulgences? No, but I think it is about radical self-care. I also think self-love is doing what our future self will thank us for. So I'm not in the business of defining love for anybody out there. That is up to you to define love for yourself. What does self-love look like for you? But I'll tell you the way I go about it. And that is when I reach a decision point and I can choose either A or I can choose B. I ask myself what feels like love, what feels like support. What is in my very best interest? So if the question is, should I have another slice of banana bread or should I go for a walk? Should I hit the snooze button or should I get up right now and greet the day so that I don't feel rushed and I'm able to get through things, and at the end of the day I feel really content with myself? Do I want to watch another Netflix or would I rather work on my poetry collection? Now those all sound like really leading questions, like there is a right answer and a wrong answer, but those are questions that I have asked myself. And sometimes the banana bread wins out. Gone through 2 lows in the last week. More often than not, though, the walk is also included because going for a walk makes me feel healthy, makes me feel like I'm doing something good for myself. Hitting the snooze button sometimes wins out because I know that I need more sleep. But more often than not, I'm up and I'm greeting the day and I don't feel rushed. I feel relaxed. Sometimes Netflix wins. Sometimes poetry wins. So there's no right or wrong answer. The real question is, what is in my highest and best interest? What action is going to make me feel better at the end of the day? That is what self-love is all about. It's both about indulgences and it's about doing what my future self is going to thank me for. So I'd love to know what you think about this idea. Are you on board with making this the summer of love, or do you think that this is just so ridiculous that you can't even imagine doing it? Whatever your thoughts are, please share your feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear it. And no matter where you fall on this, I hope you all have the best summer ever. I know I am planning on.